Good morning, class 6. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, ISWA. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 6, that is changes around us. In this video lecture, we will discuss about the changes occur because of the pressure and mixing. These two processes always are also able to create changes in different type of things. So first of all, let's discuss about pressure. So as we know, pressure creates changes, but most of the solids will not respond to pressure. Okay, suppose there is this plastic bottle is there. If you apply pressure on it, it will squeeze, but as you leave it, it will again come back to its position. Suppose if you take this lid and try to create pressure on this, what will happen? You are applying pressure, but it will just move from its place and again come back to its place. So there is no change at all in this lid by applying pressure. Okay, class? But here there are some solids are also there in which change of shape will appear. Okay, change of shape will appear in proper way, because if you pressurize the lid a lot, it will break or it will misshapen, means its shape will be destroyed and it is not going to work in any way. It is not going to help in any way. This thing will broke and your force, pressure or whatever you used on this thing, and your time, energy also waste. So here we have to understand that there are three type of changes in the solid. The first thing is malleable and ductile. So in the previous classes we heard about this. Malleable means if you beat any metal, it will produce in sheets, and ductile means you can produce wires from the metals. So here, if a solid is malleable and ductile, then you can create changes in the shape by applying pressure. Like we can prepare copper wires, aluminum wires and several type of vessels and utensils from aluminum. So these are occur because of the pressure. Now there are some solids which are brittle. If you apply too much pressure, it will break. Suppose the pen you are using, plastic pen, if you apply force on it, it will break. So these things are brittle. If you apply pressure on them, they will break. Okay, so this is the way pressure will work. Now comes the liquids. Liquids do not respond to pressure a whole lot of things. Okay, you cannot compress a liquid by applying pressure. Now comes the gases. Yes, gases will respond on pressure. If you compress it, it will compress, and we said is compressed gas. Like you heard the word CNG, compressed natural gas. Normally these compressed gas are used to inflate the balloons and the cycle tires, and when you release the pressure, the gases will expand. So this is the phenomena with gases when you apply pressure on the gas. Next comes the next topic, that is by mixing what type of change will occur. So both physical and chemical change will occur if you mix things together. Suppose if you mix sugar or salt with water, then we will get a syrup or a, you can say, juice type of not juice, but we get a mixture of salt and water or sugar and water, which we can separate also. So this is a physical change. But if we add quicklime with water, then we get slacked lime, and this is called slacking, and this whole process is chemical change. Okay class, so I hope you are able to understand the changes occur because of pressure and mixing. If any problem class, ask me, I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.